A helpful tool for this class is a good text-to-speech extension. There are lots of different options in the Chrome Web Store, but the one I'm going to sample today is Read Aloud, a text-to-speech voice recorder. So I've already added it to Chrome, and so it appears up here in the upper right-hand corner. If I go to our class page and select an article, like Hebrews and the Land of Milk and Honey, I now have the option to read the article, read and follow along as I listen to the article, or simply listen to the article. So if I click this megaphone here in the corner, it'll begin to play.
The Babylonians, the Assyrians, and the Persians accumulated immense wealth and power that allowed them to build capital cities of striking beauty.
I can pause it at any time and continue, and it'll pick up right where we left off.
But their cities and palaces eventually fell into decay and were covered by thousands of years of sand and dust.
If I want to replay a section or maybe start over, I can hit stop and then scroll back to the top and it'll start.
Hebrews in the Land of Milk and Honey, an illustration of Moses with the 10 Commandments. Photo, Wikimedia Commons. Empires rose
from the beginning. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to use text-to-speech to make some of our readings more accessible.